Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with Sunil.
Today we are going to learn English workshop of the house builder. Warming up, chit chat. Make groups and discuss the following. First, what is retirement from occupation? Answer. Retirement from occupation means leaving one's job after reaching a certain age. Second, when do people retire? Answer. Generally in India, people retire at the age of 60. Third, for what reasons do people have to retire from their occupation? Answer. There are several reasons of retirement of occupation. First, their health problem. Second, they want more leisure time with family. Third, at a certain age, that is 60. 4. Accident. And fifth, at the end of agreement. 4. How do people spend their time after retirement? Answer. People spend their time after retirement with families and friends, take part-time jobs, give scope for hobbies and passions, and do social work. First, discuss and match the professionals involved in the construction with the work they do. Architect plans and designs structure. Engineer ensures structure will be strong and stable. Building contractor supervises construction, employs workers, professionals, etc. Carpenter makes wooden framework of doors, windows, etc. Mason builds walls, roofs, etc. and plasters. Tiler does the flooring. Interior decorator beautifies the inside of a home. Margin questions. First, why was the mason a very good workman? Answer. The mason was very good workman because he gave an excellent and appealing finish to whatever he built. Second, what sudden decision did the mason take? Answer. The mason took the sudden decision of retirement. Third, what was the contrast in the workmanship of the last house, earlier houses and the last house? Excellent and appealing finish, poor finish, with great dedication and interest, without great dedication and interest, constructed as designed, did not look as designed. High quality material is used, low quality material is used, built with care, built roughly and carelessly. 4. What shock awaited the mason? Answer. The last house that he had built very roughly and carelessly, without interest and dedication, which his contractor had planned to give him as a gift. This was awaited shock for mason. English workshop. First, find from the story the noun forms of the following. Dedicate, dedication. Measure, measurement. Decide, decision. Perfect, perfection. Own, ownership. Give, gift. Responsible, responsibility. Persist, persistence. Second, choose the proper phrase or expression to complete the sentences meaningfully. To send for, with full dedication, in great demand, to meet the needs of, make up one's mind, to no avail, and to hand over. First, she does her job with full dedication. Second, one should make up one's mind to help others when needed. Third, as Mr. Jadhav was transferred to Chennai, he had to hand over his responsibilities to his assistant. 4. The laborer's income was not sufficient to meet the needs of his family. 5th, because of a fault in the wiring, they will have to send for an electrician. 6th, mother tried hard to change her son's habits, but to no avail. 7th, mangoes from Ratnagiri are always in great demand. 3rd, read the story and answer in your words. A. The owners of the new houses built by the mason would be extremely pleased. Why? Answer. The owners of the new houses built by the mason would be extremely pleased because he used to give an excellent and appealing finish to every house. B. The contractor compensated for the mason's good work. How? Answer. The contractor compensated handsomely with a very good salary for the mason's good work. C. The mason made a firm decision to retire. When? Answer. The mason made a firm decision to retire when he became a grandfather. 4. Read the following words from the story aloud and fill them in the proper column. Story, work, perfection, architect, leave, building, full, do, way, quality, responsibility, measurement, great, many avail, excellent, material, complete, sufficiently, ready, documents, broad, happy, ownership, subsequently. One syllabic, work, leave, do, way, broad, great. Two syllabic, story, building, many, avail, complete, ready, happy. Three syllabic, perfection, architect, quality, excellent, documents, ownership. More than three syllabic, responsibility, measurement, material, sufficiently, subsequently. 5th A. Words that have the same sound or pronunciation but differ in spellings and meanings are called homophones. For example, here and here. Pick out from the lesson homophones of the following words. Waste, waste. New, new. Lose, lose. Made, made. Great, great. One, one. Sight, sight. Weak, weak. Wood, wood. See, see. B. Select any three pairs of homophones from above and make simple sentences of your own to show the difference in their meaning. First, Mandeep knew the answer very well. Ajit was a new student. Second, 7 days are in a week. Her little sister is very weak. Third, I see birds on the tree. River meets the sea. 6. Always do your best. What you plant now, you will harvest later. Write a paragraph on the above topic with an interesting example of the same. Answer. Every morning when you get up, decide to do the best because being positive and doing the little best every day build your personality. If we want to build our future, we must start it from today. I remember the story of Dashrath Manji, who is from Bihar. When he failed to hospitalize his wife and he lost her, the only reason was that he had to travel a distance of 70 kilometers to walk around the mountain to reach the hospital. He could not do so and lost his wife. Dashrath decided to carve the road through the mountain. People called him madman because they thought that he wouldn't be able to do so. But Dashrath's firm determination and positive attitude of doing the best every day made his dream came true. He worked hard for 22 years in carving the road through the mountain, and he became a legend. His best resulted into sweet fruits to the coming generations. Thus, a madman became a mountain man. The real story tells us always to do your best. What you plant now, you will harvest later.